Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful flower animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to be an expert, watch the video to the end. Let's begin the topic. I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, that means select this shape from here, rectangle color, diagonal, rounded shape. Let me take it here like this kind and place it here. And click on yellow dot, make it this kind, and from here let me make it this kind. Now click here, go to Insert, go to Shape, let me select a right triangle shape from here. Let me take it here, fully cover this shape. Now let me go to Insert, Shape, let me take a rectangle shape and let me take it here like this kind. Now select all of this shape from here, go to shape format, go to shape merge and make it fragment. Now click here and select this fragment, remove from here. Now click here, let me go to fill color, let me select this fill color from here and select this one. Let me go to shape fill and make it this kind. Select the shape, let me click here and go to format shape, go to effect, let me increase the height of this one from here like this kind. Now this is perfect and amazing. Click here, let me select this one, make it group from here. Now rotate from here like this. Let me a little bit decrease the size of this one, make it duplicate from here and place it here. And rotate from here like this kind and place it here, and again make it duplicate and place it here. Let me rotate from here and place it here. Now make it duplicate again and place it here. Let me rotate from here a little bit more. Now this is perfect and place it here. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shape, let me take a oval shape, hold on the Shift key and drag it here a little bit. Let me go to Shape Fill, make it this color. Now this is perfect, and select all of this from here, make it group. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shape, take a text box and drag it here like this. Place it here. Let me write here 1 and select the text from here. Go to font and change the font into Arial Black. Let me a little bit increase the size, make it bold and make it text shadow. Now click here again, let me make it duplicate and place it here like this. Let me write here 2 and click here, make it duplicate and place it here like this, and select the text from here. Let me write here 3. Now click here and select again it and make it duplicate and place it here. Let me write here 4. Now this is perfect, and select this one, place it here like this. Go to Insert, go to Shape, let me take a text box from here. Let me take it here. Let me write here idea. Now this is perfect. Select the text from here. Let me make it Calibri and place it here like this. Select the text again from here and make it text shadow. A little bit increase the size and place it here. Now make it duplicate and place it here. Let me write here research. Now this is also perfect. Let me adjust from here and place it here. Now make it duplicate again and place it here. Now let me write here process. This is perfect, and select again this one, make it duplicate and place it here. Let me write here success. Now this is also perfect. Click here and make it duplicate. Let me place it here and select the text from here. Let it write here equal to Dorian 1. Now this is perfect, and select all of these text from here like this. Let me remove from here and select these text all from here. Increase the size a little bit and place it here. Now make it duplicates from here, place it here like this. Let me select all text from here, increase the size and place it here. Make it duplicate and place it here like this, and also make it duplicate and let me place it here like this, and select the idea one and place it here. Now this is perfect, and select the shape from here. Let me insert animation from here. Let me go to more animation. Let me make it to spinner. Now this is perfect. Open the animation pen from here. Let me click here and go to timing. Let me make it 2-second medium duration. Now this is perfect. Let me select these one and hold on the control key, these one and these one. Let me select also these one and all of these select from here. Now let me make it white. Now this is perfect, and make it with previous, make it 75 and make it this kind. Now this is perfect. Now my shape will be ready. Now let me go to watch the slideshow. This is perfect, and this one also perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos and presentation. Thank you.